Hi guys, so this is Ntamala. Look how pretty she is.
I look too
ooh. So we are walking through the farm. I'm gonna show y'all just in a few. But yeah, the scenery here is beautiful. Like, it's so pretty in here. Like, show more for real. But yeah, come with me as we explore.
Show our shoes up.
You've seen Untamulo. I need to show you all the other pretty friends that I have because yeah, my friends are too pretty. Guys, this is the city. Like, look at the face card. Face card. Look at the outfit of the day. It's giving Erica Badu because Tiama, say hi to the people. Snatched waist for days. For days. We're still looking for his waist. Namanje. Till this day. And of course, the one and only Katlecha, the lesbian of the crew. Okay, so we are finally sitting down. My legs are killing me because wow. We're about to do our coloring session. Cars in the background, you know. So let me show y'all, everyone. So this is my page. This is what I'll be doing today. It's gonna look very, very pretty.
Hi. So guys, I'm crocheting. I'm making a rose for my girlfriend. So yeah.
Isibo, show us your card that you'll be coloring today. It already looks terrible.
Relax. It's just the first round.
Okay. Tiama is still selecting Tamula. Also flowers. Okay. And my girl. Ooh. This is the only person I trust to color something nice, by the way, guys. The rest, I don't trust.
Professional artist.
Tiama, let me see your page. This is the before. This is all the before. Ben is a content creator, so hey, he'll have his page afterwards. But yeah, these are all the girlies. Of course, I had the best card, but Katlecha's page was also so pretty. At this point, the others had given up. Tiamo was literally on his phone. He was so over this. I present to you, my friends and I are playing 30 seconds. This was so chaotic, yet so much fun. Definitely highlight of my day.
What? 7 words in the dictionary. Cheese. No. Wow.
Pause. I literally said the standard definition in the dictionary, and then this nigga has the audacity to say guap. Like, bro, what?
Money. What is this thing? Yes.
Just finished the game of 30 seconds. I was on 2 teams and I secured the dub on both teams. Talk to me nicely. After me, Ben is the best player at this, best 2 at this game. When we are Zama, you suck, but you know what?
I'm the best.
You know what? You tried. But yeah, we got the dub, guys. After an intense game of 30 seconds, it was officially time for us to go and eat and pink drinks for the win. It literally took us 10 minutes to pay that bill, and interlude of me being pretty. Hi my loves, so we have finally reached the end of the vlog. We still look good as we did at the beginning. I mean, come on now. Anyway, Katlecha, say bye to the people. Guys, say bye to the people. Ben and Isipo have arrived. Say bye to the people. We've reached the end of the vlog. Say bye to the people. Hi.